Hi. Alright, we're not looking very great right now. I literally got out of the shower. I wasn't planning on filming today actually, but my elf order came in today and I didn't expect it to come in today. I expected it to come in like next week, but it came early. So I've got like a bunch of other stuff that I want to test like separately, but one thing that really caught my eye on the website is this bitch. This is their Luminous Putty Primer. So they have this guy, which is their regular Poreless Putty Primer. This literally just went like insane when this got released. It's so good. I really love it. I've done a testing video on this, so I'll leave a link to that video in the description box if you want to go see that. It's supposed to be like the Tatcha one, the silk canvas one that costs like house price. Like that one is so expensive, and they've now come out with this one, which is the luminous version. I thought I would get this so I can try it, but I thought instead of just testing this on its own, I'll do like a half face situation. So I'll test the regular one on like half of my face and then do this one on the other side. So that's what we're going to be doing today, and I'm just going to get ready as well. I'll leave in me doing my makeup just so the video isn't super boring and everyone's sat there like, but I'll just kind of speed through that. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. So if you want to see me test these two primers side by side and see if this one is any good, see if it's any different to this one, then subscribe if you want to, give the video a thumbs up as well, and we'll just get testing. Aww. Right, let me get the price of it up. I can't remember. I'm pretty sure they should be the same price. I mean, you'd assume they'd be the same. Okay, so the regular Poreless primer is £8. Oh, they also have a matte one, so they haven't just got this one. So this is the regular one. They then have a matte putty primer and then the luminous one as well. So they're all £8. So obviously I'm just going to be trying the luminous one because my skin is kind of more dry. I don't like anything matte, to be fair. I always go for more dewy, luminous kind of stuff. So I'm just going to apply this one. This is just the regular one, just on half of my face. I've just done my skincare today. That's all I've obviously got on. Done my eyebrows because nobody gives a shit about them. So I am going to be going to work obviously, so I can probably like test it and then like see. Oh wait, I'm going to have to do half. I don't usually, but I'm just going to put it on all of the rest of my face. I usually, whenever I use this primer, I do usually just keep it kind of in my T-zone area, and I found personally that this does actually like help with my smile lines as well. I feel like my foundation or anything like doesn't like sink into them as much, which is great. So it's good for many things, this primer. Okay, so that's basically the regular one on that side of my face. My face may be like a bit glowy because I have like done my skincare and stuff, but it's not too much. Okay, so that's that all done. Okay, then we're going to go in with the luminous one. I'm kind of excited for this because I really like the Poreless, the regular one. I usually use this. I use Jeffree Star's like lip liner because the end is like pointy, so I usually use this to get the product out. Oh, this feels like, oh, that's way too much. Okay. Oh, it's gone in my nose. Ew. Oh my god, oh, I can see the glow. Look at the difference. Oh, I think my lighting. Can you see? Wow, okay, I can see the difference in person. I don't know if like the camera's even going to pick it up. Oh, I can see a difference already. It's not got like glitter in either. It's not like shimmery, so that's good. Oh, that is dewy. Okay, you can definitely see a clear difference. Oh shit. You can see a clear difference there. Like, look at the dewiness of that one. Look at that side of my face. Jeez, man. And then just look at that side. Like, yeah, it's like a tiny bit glowy, but I think it's like the lighting. Let me try turning my filming light off. See if that does anything. Okay. Maybe my skin's just a bit glowy because of my skincare, but you can see like the big difference. This is without my filming light on. I love that. Okay, so I'm like obsessed. Wow. This would be a really nice thing to just use if you don't want to wear makeup, but you just want like, because like it has blurred like my skin, it's literally blurred it probably the same as this side, but it's just added like a really nice glow as well. That is so nice. I don't know why I didn't expect it to be like this glowy. Okay, so I feel like that is a success. I think I'm really gonna like this. Obviously I don't want to say yeah I love it, I'm obsessed with it, because obviously I haven't tried it like a lot. I need to test it out fully, see how it wears throughout the day, because with this primer obviously I don't get oily or anything throughout the day. This being a dewy one, I don't know if maybe they put oils in or something, so I don't know if it might make me oily. So I am gonna do a wear test, I guess. I'll do like a check-in at the end of the video and we can see how it's kind of held up. It's currently 1:30. Can you see it from here? My phone's on charge, I don't want to lift it up anymore. There you go, I'm not lying. And I'll probably be back around 8 PM maybe. We'll see how it holds up while I'm at work. Obviously I don't touch up my makeup whatsoever when I'm at work. Should I even bother doing the rest of my makeup, or should we just give it a pass? Does anyone care? Okay, no, my camera battery is now flashing red. Okay, we'll give like the rest of my makeup a pass for today, but I'll just I'll come back once I've applied my makeup so we can see how everything looks on top, and I'll leave everything that I'm going to use in the description box like I always do, just in case if anyone, you know, actually gives a shit about what I've got on my face. Okay, so I will see you when I've sorted this situation out. Okay, so my makeup applied really nicely, didn't have any issues, nothing like peeled up or anything like that, and everything's looking pretty nice. I haven't put any highlight on today, so you can literally see through the foundation, the powder and everything. You can still see like the glow from the primer. I put a bit of cream blush on and obviously I contour. There's no highlight, nothing, so like that glow is literally all from the primer. There isn't much of a glow on this side, so guys, it works. Okay, so I'm gonna go off to work now, and I guess I'll be back in the evening and we'll see how this held up. Hi folks, we're back. We are back from work. The lighting's gonna be shit because it's pretty much 8 PM. So I am so impressed. Like my face isn't even shiny. Like I have not touched my face whatsoever. I am so impressed. I've still got the nice little glow, as you can see on this side. So this was like the luminous side, and then this was just like the normal primer. Usually sometimes throughout the day I just kind of like go like that and just kind of pat away like any like shine. I swear, haven't even touched my face. Everything is literally like smooth, and my T-zone is literally matte, which I usually get a tiny bit of shine no matter what primer, anything I use. To be fair, I usually use dewy primers anyway, but like we're fine, but we're still like glowy, and I'm so impressed. So you know, this is an approval from me. Both of these are so good. Personally, I think I do prefer the luminous one more, just because it's giving me that extra glow, and I like that. If you have oilier skin, you might want to try the matte one that they do have as well, or just this one. This one doesn't get oily, as you can see as well, so maybe this one or the matte one will do you good. If you have dry skin, or you're like me and you just kind of have like combination skin, or you just like that glow, then go for this one, because oh my god, these are so good, and they're only £8 as well. So great. Look at my smile lines as well, like it hasn't really sunk in or anything, like you can see just when I'm like talking like that, you can't see them or anything. Elf have done it. They have nailed it again. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Definitely approve of these, recommend them both. So yeah, that is it for the video though. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you enjoyed the video as well. If you did, give the video a thumbs up. Let me know if you tried any of these primers as well. Yeah, also make sure you're subscribed as well, because I bought a load of new elf makeup that they've recently released. There's some really cute eyeshadow palettes as well that I'm going to be testing next week, so make sure you subscribe so you can see that video as well. I'm really looking forward to trying that. That's it for the video. Give the video a thumbs up as well. I will see you in my next video.